And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello there again. What am I doing now? I'm cutting all the little copper hoops off here, because one of these days when I become I'm going to buy a crucible and melt down some copper. I probably got about maybe 2 or 3 pounds. I mean, I'm not going to start doing this for a living or anything, but you know, it'd be nice to melt some shit down one of these days. Plus, I'm wondering how to get all these fins off. I mean, I don't think I'm going to find out tonight, but I'm sure these fins went on one way, and I don't know if they're all soldered in there or they just come off on the end. So I'm thinking if I take this end piece off, I might be able to get all the fins to slide off, but I don't know. See, I'm not too certain about that, how these fins come off, but I'm sure I'll figure it out eventually. Let me pause it again. Well, one of the things about demolishing stuff is once you learn how it went together, you can learn how to take it apart. So I figured out that if I cut all the ends off here, I can then figure out how to get these pipes loose. And I'm hoping that these little, see, they'll all come off next. It's kind of tedious work, all this for a couple little copper pipes. But you know what? It's better than drinking beer. So, it's better than getting high and stupid. At least it's something to do. I mean, who doesn't love good old craftsmanship? See, I probably should just beat the damn thing with a hammer, but apparently it's coming off. I popped these little things open and it's just prying up like that. Not perfectly, but it is doing the job. Or it was doing the job. So just put it in there. Ta-da! Kind of works. As long as I get leverage on top of one of these little copper pipes here, see? As long as I put it like this, wedge it on top of the pipe, and get underneath, then it doesn't just smash down. See, it has a little bit of a ta-da. You can see what the hell I'm doing, but I'm probably not. Taking this off of here. See, I want to see if I can get all these pipes out of here. Why? I don't know. Probably a big waste of my time. Yeah. But, you know what? Like I said, other people's entertainment is other people's fun. This to me is like interesting. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but what else am I doing? Sit at home, watch TV my whole life? Could be sitting at home watching hockey. Yeah, whatever, fuck. So yeah, does this thing come off now? See, got all these things. I don't know if these are soldered to it, or how these, see, I don't know how these little fins come off here. Like, I don't know, it looks like a bloody mess. They look like they would peel right off. Like they should peel right off, but there's no way in hell it's gonna. It's almost like an X-Acto blade would probably do the same thing. I don't know. It was fun. But obviously there's no way in hell to peel these things off. I mean, you'd have to be insane to sit here and peel all this off. Looks like they were all put on here one layer at a time. See, one little layer and ta-da! I wonder if an X-Acto blade would cut these things. See? They're so cheap. It's like, hey, ta-da! Just like this. But I mean, it's not worth my time. it's like pointless. So I'll just throw it in the garbage.